Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a professional website on IONOS using the latest technical configuration tools. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to launch their studio-level platform and maintain a high-end, high-performance presence in the latest digital market. Let's get into it. First, access the high-end setup portal. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional web environment. You need to enter the specific area of the IONOS dashboard designed for new project deployment. The action: log into your IONOS account and navigate to the Websites and Shops section on the main dashboard. In the latest standards, this portal is the professional gateway to all your hosting resources. Navigating here technically prepares your workspace for a high-end technical build, ensuring your studio bookkeeping of site assets is centralized and organized. Next, configure high-end design and color logistics. A professional latest workflow requires technicality in visual presentation. You must ensure your studio aesthetic is consistently applied across the site. The action: choose a high-end color palette from the latest professional design library. Setting design logistics is a professional standard. It technically automates your visual branding and keeps your studio look healthy and high-end throughout the latest visitor cycles. Next, define your professional niche. Now you need to bridge the gap between your specific professional labor and the latest web requirements by defining the purpose of your site. Input your business name and select your specific industry from the technical drop-down menu. Provide a high-end description of your professional services to allow the latest AI tools to technically generate a draft. This step is a mechanical necessity for precise latest SEO and branding. It technically maps your professional value, ensuring your studio site reflects your high-end output and market analysis standards. And that's pretty much it. To set up a website in the latest version, navigate to Websites and Shops, click Create New, and technically select your creation path. Define your business name and industry, configure your high-end design preferences, and preview the layout to verify your latest data. Finally, connect your domain and publish to ensure your professional online presence is technically perfect. This professional workflow ensures your studio is optimized for the latest market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.